Morning student, today we will discuss about the different causes of the revolt of 1857. The first war of independence was fought in 1857 by Indians against the British in order to get rid of their domination. As I told you, my dear students, in previous lecture, that it is also given different names like Indian rebellion, the Indian mutiny, as well as the first war of independence, etc. The main causes of the war were political causes, social and religious causes, economic causes, military causes, and of course last one, that is immediate causes. We will discuss all the causes one by one, but today we will discuss only political causes. Political cause. The imperialist policy of the East India Company was an important factor. The company interfered in the internal matters of Indian states and followed the policy of divide and rule. The doctrine of lapse of Dalhousie, Lord Dalhousie, angered Indian princes, Indian rulers. The doctrine of lapse created fear and resentment among Indian rulers because they were not allowed to adopt their heir to the throne. This policy ensured that those kingdoms where the kings did not have their natural heir would be taken over by the Britishers. The British, after the demise of the king, so they feared that sooner or later their kingdoms would be snatched away from them by the Britishers. So doctrine of lapse was one of the major political cause of the revolt of 1857. The Indian sepoys were also dissatisfied with the treatment meted out to them. Means they were facing discrimination between the Indians and the British soldiers. Different Indian rulers like Nana Sahib of Kanpur, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Rani Lakshmi Bai, etc. They were fought for their own kingdom. The British signed many treaties with the kings and Nawabs, but violated them as per their convenience, like the subsidiary alliances. For example, the Nawab Wajid Ali Shah from Awadh signed subsidiary alliances in 1801, was forced to accept the permanent British army within the territory and to pay subsidy for its maintenance. Even he could not recruit any other European in his service without imperial approval. After that, it was annexed with British rule. The Nawab was exiled to Calcutta. They shocked the other rulers. And of course, the different peoples were also facing the different problems. That's all for today. In the next lecture, we will discuss the next cause, that is economic cause. Thank you and have a nice day.